How cool is that? Huh? Look at these drawers and all the slides. But this is perfect because I was going to make some boxes for tools. I was just going to take the drawer slides, and then I realized, oh, the boxes are made really nicely. Packed up. Here we go. This is where I live, by the way. If you're wondering why I live in Brooklyn, it's because of this and the park. And right around the corner from where we're walking is a falafel place and a burrito place and a pizza place. Oh, look, 2 Labradors. Falafel. Sitting outside. The next part of this is getting this into my car. All right, here they are. I don't have a zoom lens. Come back here. Don't look in there. Hi. What is this? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is basically this is the setup. Two deeps like that. And then these are all shallow, but the bottom one has some extra height on it. So it doesn't have a big wall on the side, but it has in the front. So you've got big space, 2 smaller spaces. The first thing I'm thinking is this is a top drawer. This was their knives and forks, I guess. So that could be for miscellaneous Eric junk. But the second one, that is probably the perfect size for all my boxes of construction screws and drywall screws. You know, they all come in the same size box. I've been thinking, how do I organize this besides just stacking them and then they fall? You know, you've been there. I like that I've got this here. It gives me, I'm a visual person. There's some people on YouTube who are like, no one's a visual thinker. You know, I have to see it rather than measure it. So this gives me a very good idea. And then I go inside and it might work. I don't know. Andy's there. Oh, well, this is a wide angle, but Spiker's out there, and they're having a standoff. This is what they do. Go get her. Go on. That was it? Nice, huh? Now we got to fix the top a little bit. Oh, that almost fits pretty good. These go in the back. Let me show you. So this is all just scrap wood. I mean, if I were building a cabinet, this would all be, you know, nice plywood or whatever, but this is garden fork. It's called Use What You Got. I don't even know if I need these because this is, I mean, this, it's just going to hold a circular saw, you know, it's not really, we don't have earthquakes here. It's not true, but we don't have West Coast earthquakes, let's just say. We're very close to the end. I'm not supposed to tell you that. Now, YouTube says, don't telegraph the end of the video. So I didn't say that. What do you think?
I think it looks great. What do you think, Andy?
This took a lot longer than I thought it would, but it's pretty cool. I made these handles here out of some scrap wood, and then all my power tools go in here now. And the top drawer is the tools I use the most, right?
Makes sense.
And then in the lower drawer is stuff I use. I use that once a year. I thought all my boxes of screws, you know, could be stacked in here.
Yeah.
But then, because I'm a visual person,
I see a light bulb.
I'll get frustrated by having to open these all the time, right?
Right.
So I have these little trays. So these trays will go right in here like this.
Do they fit 3 across?
Yeah, the third one will fit. And then I can just put all these in here.
And see it.
And label them. I'm big on the label maker.
He
Right,
loves
Spiker?
like the, what do you call it? Is it an analog label?
Oh yeah, the Dynamo, like the press-on ones. Yeah. So I've got some more ideas for ease of storage here. Now that this is in, there's a space right here.
Unused space, yes.
And if this is just left the way it is, I'm just gonna shove junk in there. So stay tuned for a follow-up video with me and Andy. This is cheaper than therapy. You should get 2 of these. Always have 2. And
It'll be much cleaner too.
supposedly there's a video floating over here or over there, and I'm not supposed to say goodbye, but I always like having you guys here. I think Andy likes, she's really happy today. All right, make it a great day. See you in the next video.
See you later.
Can I have a kiss?
You had to have about 2,500.